Good morning, everyone, and welcome to this virtual course. My name is Santiago Arias. I am a software and communications engineer and SAP Business One consultant. Today, we will cover the following topic: installing Visual Studio. So let's get started. To start installing Visual Studio, we must go to the Microsoft page and download the Visual Studio Community Development Tool. Following this, we will run the installer, in which we will maintain the default configuration by approving each of the following steps. It is important to select the ASP.NET Development and .NET Desktop Development options, since we will be using them as part of our project. Next, we click on Install. Remember that this operation may take several minutes. Finally, we click on Accept, and that's it. We have installed Visual Studio on our computer. Remember that I will be attentive to comments in case you need support with a specific topic. We've reached the end of this video. I just want to thank you for your attention, and remember, education is the most powerful weapon you can use to change the world. See you soon, and have a great day.